Today we're going to talk about pillarless glass and how to apply your film. Obviously, when you open the door of a car that's got pillarless doors, the glass itself drops so that you can then open it so that the glass doesn't get caught in the rubber channel above. So in order to tint the glass, what we need to do is trick the glass to go back up to essentially trick it to thinking it's locked. And the way we're going to do that is inside this little channel here, there's a black piece of trim. You're going to press downwards. You keep following it round. And when you press in, the glass goes up, so it now thinks it's locked. You then have more access to get the film in and just below the seal. One thing to know is be sure before you close the door again, once you've done your tint, is to trick the lock again to know it's open. So you're just going to pull the handle. You can either do that from the inside or outside, and then you can just close your door.